I'm literally staring at all this, and clearly I'm nervous. I am a desperate person who just wants to get her hair done. I'm starting to look like the most hideous troll of all time, and the situation happening on the top of my head is awful. So it has come to that time. Our governor still has salons closed in Ohio. So it's happened. I've bought box dye. I have not dyed my own hair in probably 15 to 20 years. I was a teenager the last time I dyed my own hair. And it's come to this. It has come to this. I cannot believe this is about to happen. This could go wonderfully, or this could be disastrous. Then again, I'm thinking anything's better than what's going on the top of my head. This is damn near what my hair looks like, the color, the shade, when I first get my hair done. It's that bright, it's that orange, it's that unrealistic, it's that unnatural looking. That's what it looks like. I'm so nervous. I know I'm being dramatic. But the other problem I have is that all the videos I've been watching, because I have watched probably almost every at-home hair dye, do-it-yourself video. These don't come with little brushes. So I don't have a little brush to brush the dye on with. Holy shit. I've literally been sitting here for I don't know how long, just procrastinating because I'm going back and forth. And I know you're like, just do it. That's what I'm here for. But this is a lot. Again, I know I'm being super dramatic. All right, screw it. Let's do this. I have a very old shirt on, just like when I go to the salon, very old shirt. I guess I should just go ahead and put the towel on. Oh my God. All right, so the videos I've been watching, I need a mirror. That would help. Can you guys tell I'm nervous? I'm just sick of looking like this, dude. I just look a mess. And then it was almost time to wash my hair again because my hair is getting super greasy because I used a lot of conditioner in it. So what I've been watching is, and again, I'm gonna say this is not a tutorial by any means. So I'm probably doing everything you're not supposed to be doing, but that's why I leave it to the professionals. But desperate times call for desperate measures, people. So I don't know if I'm doing anything right. I'm gonna start with the top. That's why I'm kind of leaving the top out right now. Oh my gosh. All right. And then this is what I'm gonna start with. Is that right? Whatever. So what I've been watching is put Vaseline on your hairline. Now my person in the salon does not do this, but then again, she has like color remover, so that makes sense. Of course I don't have that. She's gonna kick my ass. I guess I should be putting it back here too, right? All right, I'm gonna start mixing the dye. Snap off. Oh, all right, snapped off. Now we pour one in. Okay, pour all the shimmering conditioning gel in. Shimmer, conditioning gel. I feel like a dum-dum, man. Open aromatic shimmer serum. Shimmer serum. Got it. Opening. Maybe. Are you gonna open? Opening you. Got it. Pouring it in. Go. Okay. I'm nervous, guys. This is crazy. Color booster. All the contents in the bottle too. Use with caution. I don't like those words. How do you open this? Oh, there it goes. Okay. Cautioning. Caution open. Pouring it in. Oh, that's the red. That's the orange. Orange. That's the orange red right there. Replace applicator on the Cap, got it. Replace, oh, place gloved finger. Oh, these are the gloves they give. Okie dokie. Feel like I should be doing that TikTok where they go, no girl, don't do it. And be like, I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. Be like, I did it. Put your finger over, shake well. Oh my gosh, okay. I can smell that stuff. If any of you guys are hairdressers, please don't come for me. I'm just a person trying to have her hair done. Okay, picture shows to port right on here. Maybe I should start here in the front. Are you gonna come out? Oh, there you come. Holy shit. We're doing it. We're doing it. These gloves suck. This is orange as fuck. Oh, that's probably too much. That's probably too much. That's probably too much. I know my friend Emily is probably gonna watch this. She's a hairdresser. She's gonna come for me. Okay, again, my thing didn't come with the brush thing, so this is what it's come to. I'm using a bobby pin. I got another box, so just in case with my hair. This doesn't look like it's gonna be jack shit. It's in my roots. Oh, my tap fell off. Okay, that seems good to me, right? How am I supposed to do the back? This is a shit show. That is the most uneven line I've ever seen in my life. I think this should be out of that clip. Oh, this should be out of you. You didn't stay twisted for nothing, did you? No. Oh, that seems like a lot more hair. Okay, whatever. Looks great. That looks great. This towel. Come on. We're on a time crunch here. Does the 25 minutes start when I started, or does it automatically start when you're done? Like 25 minutes altogether? Because if that's the case, only got 15 minutes? Like, how's that freaking work? Because I feel like it's gonna take me 25 minutes to get this in my head. Ooh, this side's definitely harder to do. Bitch! Okay. Looks great. So this, is this all of this? I guess so. That doesn't make no sense. Back here? I need Chris. Okay. Oh, that's on the pillow. Now see, to me, this is difficult right here. How am I supposed to do this? I mean, I know it's the same way, but it's still weird. I'm just gonna slop it back there. That's what we're gonna do. I don't recommend this at all whatsoever. Don't do it. Feeling this was a really bad decision. Really bad decision. I guess in the end here, I can like slop all my hair together. Slop. And I guess the most important part here is getting it like on my hairline, you know what I mean? Because when I put my hair up, you're gonna see that. Oh, dear Lord, baby Jesus, help me. God, I hope this is the only time I have to do this. I really don't think this is in any way, shape, or form the right way to do this. This towel is a bitch. Stay on. What is the deal with you? Because I still have a lot of dye left. So is that an indicator that I definitely didn't put enough on? Does that look like it's way darker in the bottle now? Is that good news? Bitch, this pillow is f***ed. I'm sitting on a pillow. It's f***ed. For sure. Oh, this feels good. Like, should I say the towel at this point? Seriously. My God. Like, do we just go for it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm getting high as shit from these fumes though. Maybe just bring it up and like do one of these. I cannot let my husband know I just dyed this pillow. I'm gonna put it in my hand. Like rub. That makes sense. See, it looks like it's just gonna stay in that one spot. This isn't good. I don't know. This is not working out very well. I have so much hair, it's like impossible. Now it's just getting all tangly. I feel like it shouldn't take this long. I feel like this is working a little better, like doing sections like this. This is gonna be uneven as That doesn't sound good. It's happening. It's not going well. I can just say that. It's not going well. Because I don't know what the I'm doing.
Getting it on the pillow is what you're doing.
I told you, bitch, about it. Alright, now that I feel like I got it, a lot of it everywhere, you know? My battery's gonna die. I know the one thing my girl does at the salon, I'm not saying to do this, do not do this, but we dye my brows. Not saying this is safe, not saying anything. But I'm saying we dye my brows, okay? I don't know how well this is gonna work though, considering with these stupid gloves. Oh. I'm sure a lot of you are freaking out about that. That's okay, it's my face, it's my brows. Plus I've been doing it freaking 15 years. At this point I really can't do much more here. Now it's time to sit back and pray. Some people say to put your hair in a plastic bag. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how much longer I should leave this on my head. I'm gonna hop in the shower, come back on camera, and see what the went down. Pray for me. Hey guys, so I'm not gonna lie, it's been about a week. I dyed my hair last week and totally forgot to film my outro and show you the results because I was filming another video at the same time, which was my last video that you have seen on my channel. So I just, for some reason, forgot to film the outro. But here is the end result. And as you can see, it looks good. It's not perfect by far. And we are, you know, at a safe distance away from the camera. So you're not seeing it completely and totally up close. But for what it is, it looks pretty damn good. I'll go ahead and take my hair down for you so you can see. I will say that the roots are a darker shade of red. Hopefully you can see that my roots are a shade darker than the rest of my hair. It's actually more of a reddish, very unnatural shade than my normal, more copper shade. I mean, I don't hate it for what it is, and not going to the salon, I'm pretty impressed by the color. Most importantly, I was concerned, sorry I keep looking at my viewfinder just to see how crazy I look, but I was mostly concerned about the front of my hair, not even necessarily the back or underneath of my hair. It blends in pretty well with the color I already had, but the color that I usually get is a more copper shade. This definitely isn't my normal shade, but it's damn close. You guys probably don't even notice that. You probably think it's the same color as I usually have, but because it's my hair, I know what shade it usually is, but it looks good. As far as my eyebrows, it did take a little bit, but it definitely wasn't as good as it looks when I get it done at the salon, and it's probably because I didn't concentrate a lot of the color on my eyebrows. I was kind of afraid to, but it took a little bit, but now it's basically gone and washed off. It definitely faded way quicker, which it usually lasts, you know, a couple of weeks, but I've been doing a different skincare routine lately, a very bougie and extreme skincare routine lately. I'm not gonna lie, I have so much dry shampoo in my hair that, I mean, I can get some volume. My hair is crazy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.